great task of nation building is done by only ministers, leaders, MLAs, councillors, panchayats, sarpanches and all the others. No, the great task of nation building is done by you and me, every ordinary citizen, everyone that matters in our Bharat, everyone who matters in this country. While we make progress, we have to have an environment around us which will sustain us. We have to have food security. We have to have nature being nurtured. We have to see greenery. We have to see that nature is preserved in its pristine glory. If this happens, then all of us together, along with the future generations, have a very bright future. This campaign, as is happening from the Bogmalo Beach Resort in this lovely village of Bogmalo, should not be a campaign only restricted to things moving in Goa, not restricted to things happening only in India. It should be a world campaign of protecting the environment. A beautiful presentation done by Verma D'Mello through her fashion show. I hope all of you have enjoyed. You are known for social work. When is it that you started loving films and you seem to be connected with the filmy world? My film story and connectivity with the film world goes as back as 75 to 77. When I had even signed for a few films. But thank God I did not land in the film industry. Something carried me for the social work. Something carried me forward to serving the people, and that's how I landed, perhaps involuntarily, in politics. But I have enjoyed every moment. The love and affection that I have got from the people made me continuously elected for 7 terms. It's not a joke. I thank my people. I thank my karyakartas and everyone who contributed towards that, particularly my voters. I thank each and every one of you very, very profusely for having made it, having spared your valuable time and given us the due importance that this particular subject deserves. Many a times I start thinking, all of you perhaps have come at my invitation. You think that perhaps I am important. By that I sincerely, from bottom of my heart, I sometimes think, am I that important? I am just an individual. I am just an ordinary person doing my job, which I am ordained to do as a public representative.